Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we will continue and we will add physics to our game. For now, when you run the game, you see that nothing happens. It's completely static and obviously it's quite boring. So in order to fix that, we need to add some physics, and the good thing with Unity is that all of these very complicated things, such as physics, such as gravity, such as collisions, I mean, all of these mathematical things are so easily exposed in Unity as simple components. So you will soon see what I mean. So to add gravity to our jelly, or more correctly, to make our jelly react to gravity, you click Add Component here to the right. First of all, you need to select Jelly, then you go to Add Component. And here you search for Rigid Body 2D and select it. So now when you run the game, you see that our jelly now reacts to gravity. Something else we need to do is to add a collider. So if you just search collider, you can select circle collider, because our jelly is kind of like a circle, so we want our collider to be like a circle as well. And if you click on this button right here, you see how this collider is laid out. And the collider is basically which area of this image needs to be hit in order for a collision to be registered. So you will soon see that when our jelly falls from the sky on this platform, this green circle that is shown when we click this button right here, it will be used as the collision circle. So that when this green circle touches the platform, well, it means that our jelly has touched the platform. So this is the actual collision body of our jelly. So let's run it. Let's see what happens. You see it falls through the platforms because the platforms themselves do not have a collision body. The platforms themselves are not something that Unity treats as an object that our jelly can collide with. So it's very easy to fix. Everything in Unity is so easy. Go to Tile Map and click on Add Component and search for Tile Map Collider 2D. Boom. Just click it. Nothing really needs to happen more, and you can click Run. And as you can see, boom, now it collides with our platform. So let's experiment a bit with because I want you to truly understand what this circle collider is. Let's say I move the circle collider somewhere else. Let's say for some reason, I put it here or something. I move it up here. What do you think will happen? Well, you understand that Unity doesn't care about this red image with eyes, like it doesn't care about the jelly. It only cares about this green circle when it looks for collisions. So if I run right now, you see that the jelly falls lower because the circle is up here. The circle is what's colliding with the platform, not the actual image. So just keep in mind that this circle needs to be as close as possible to the actual image, and it needs to represent the image as close as possible. So let's see, let's do something like this, and then boom, perfect. So guys, this is how you do gravity, this is how you do collisions. As you can see, extremely easy, no code needed at all. We have I mean, honestly, we've come pretty far and we still haven't written a single line of code. Pretty amazing with Unity. And in the next lecture, we will do some controls, because this jelly needs to move around. When you run the game, you actually want it to move around when you press the arrow keys. So that is what we will be doing in the next lecture, guys. I hope to see you there. Have a good day and goodbye, guys.